Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete stickers on Snapchat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is really useful to be able to do, as perhaps you're just trying to go and have a clear out, as you've got a lot of stickers, or somebody may have gone and asked you to go and delete it. To get started though, go and open up a chat in Snapchat like this. Then you need to go to the right of the text box and click on the face icon just here. You need to go down to the bottom, and you can then click on the scissors, which are stickers. Now, you can see your stickers here. You need to choose the one you want to delete. In this case, I'll choose the one with the dog. Click and hold your finger on it, like so. And when you do that, you're going to see the sticker. Make sure it's the right one. And when you're ready, you can tap on delete. And that's it, it's now gone. So that's basically how you can delete stickers on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.